Hello guys, in this video I'm going to give you a quick review of Realme C1 Pro, Realme C1. So let's start this video. So now we'll just talk about something about this phone. So let's start now. So it comes with an operating system of Android Oreo 8.1 with color OS and 5.1 display and 6.2-inch and compressed touch screen with 19.9 aspect ratio protection, which comes with a really good phone. And rear camera of 13 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel front and 2.4 depth sensor dual camera with LED flash, external panoramic front camera 5 megapixel sensor with HDR video 1080p at the rate 30 fps SIM dual SIM nano SIM dual stand and with a battery limit of 4230 mAh battery and micro USB 2.0 USB on the go, and its price is almost 10 to 12,000 96 US dollar and INR at 6 to 8,000. And this phone is just very good. I hope you like this video. यो भिडियो तपाईलाई मन पर्यो होला र यति भन्नु मात्रै म आज बिदा दिन चाहन्छु गाइस। म डाउनलोड टु वाच नेपाली हामी यस्तै मोबाइलको फोनहरु रिभ्यु गर्छौं, अर्निङ एपहरुको रिभ्यु गर्छौं, अनबक्सिङ गर्छौं र यस्तै नयाँ नयाँ सम्पूर्ण जानकारीहरु हामी तपाईहरुलाई दिइराख्छौं। So hope you like this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, bye.